Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you the FOREMEDIA payment proof. I have successfully withdrawn twice from FOREMEDIA ads network. I've successfully withdrawn twice and I currently have $97 in my balance to withdraw for my next withdrawal. Okay, in 3 months I have withdrawn twice. Okay, in 4 months I have withdrawn twice from FOREMEDIA. So this is my payment proof for using for FOREMEDIA ad network. So previously I made a video on how you can apply for FOREMEDIA, how you can add FOREMEDIA code to your website. Just check the description for the link of the video on how you can apply for FOREMEDIA and how you can also start making money as I am making it here. So let me move straight down to my payment, to the payment, and you can see that I've been paid twice. You're going to see the amount that I was paid by FOREMEDIA ad network. And also their support system is just so good, so fast. Their customer support is so good. But firstly, you see my payment history. You can see your earnings so far is $388.72 cents. $388.72 that I've make so far from FOREMEDIA, and my last payment was issued on September 21st, 2021. So I'll just scroll up now so you can see that I've been paid twice. You can see my first withdrawal was last month, okay, on August. Okay, my last payment was July 18, 2021. This year, sorry, July 18, 2021. I received $105.58. The status was successful. So, and on September 21st, 2021, I also received $181.91. You can see I received it through paper. So this is my payment proof for FOREMEDIA ad network. This is to show you that FOREMEDIA are paying, they are legit. Everything about FOREMEDIA are legit. And for those who are saying that they are not earning much, in their from FOREMEDIA ad network, my advice for you is to target keywords that are getting traffic from USA, from UK, from just from European countries. So I will show you the countries I'm generating my traffic from. The country I'm generating my traffic from the most is from United States. So I'm just show you. You can see. You see, from United States I earned $92. You can see from Nigeria, that's my country, from United Kingdom, from Canada, from United Arab Emirates. You can see these countries are the top countries, apart from Nigeria, are the top countries that in niche like tech, crypto, finance, loan, mortgage. So these countries here are one of the best you can be earning reasonable from this country. So target keywords that are getting their traffic mostly from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and other European countries. You can see this is my dashboard here. You can see my visitors, United States. You can see. So this is my payment proof for FOREMEDIA ad network. So if you have not yet started using you are not yet using FOREMEDIA ad network, you can start using it now. So just check the link in the description to register a publisher's account. So thanks for watching this video. If you have gained something from this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified of the next video, and leave a comment on it, whatever places or parts you're having problem with FOREMEDIA ad network. I'm ready to assist you for free. Thanks for watching my videos, and thumbs up. Goodbye.